Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see. Wow, 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 wow. Very nice day yesterday. I mean, this Arista Networks was an unbelievable fun, fun. Okay. Uh, so where do we go now? Right? Where do we go now? So Fitch came out and downgraded, so the SPX is way down. But the Treasury is always also going to issue $1 trillion worth of bonds. Is money going into bonds, coming out of stocks? That's possible. You have to be aware. And then what you have is the valuation too high? Is it too low? Here's the thing. Only a certain set of companies are making money off this AI. They're all going to make money as we move forward. Okay? So just understand that, let's say 20% of the stuff that's where it's at is going to get way better. 20%. 20% of these companies are all going to fail because they have garbage CEOs. Okay. And then, so that's 40%. So 60% you're in kind of no man's land. Okay. So no man's land. I mean, think about this. I mean, UPSD, how good was UPSD? We sold it. I mean, sold it at 5 from 2. It's down 3. Okay. Today. I mean, Roku. We sold the Roku 90s. We've covered the next ones, and now we're just sitting. We're waiting for that break of 98, and if it gets to 101, probably gets to 120. But you got to wait and wait. How about now? NOW I sold yesterday now. I sold them at 13.50 from 4, and I got a message of Sam. Why did you sell them? It's breaking out. I said, because if something happens, you lose $9. Has nothing to do with it's a breakout or anything like that. I mean, UPSD is a breakout, but then you got this Fitch news. See, you can't sit there and just say, oh my God, this is a complete breakout. I'm going to buy more and more and more and hold them overnight. You have to sell stuff and roll up. So, we sold now, we made what? $100,000 off of it, $100,000 off of it. And we put back, what, $15,000. So what's wrong with that? I mean, this is trading. This will make you better. Okay? This will make you better. Okay? So just learn that. Then you can be okay. What happens today? Do we go way down or do we recover? I'm of the opinion that this Fitch rating means 0. Let me tell you what I think of Fitch. You guys want to know what I really think of Fitch? I think if an asteroid hit the world and 2/3 of the world is dying, they would wait another 6 months to downgrade it. That's what I think of Fitch. Okay? So I'm just telling you, these rating agencies, they missed everything because here's the thing. They pay them. People pay them. If you start a company and you go to Fitch and you go pay them $50 million, they'll probably rate you B+. If you don't pay them anything, they're going to rate you D-. Okay? So it's all bogus. It's all bogus. Okay? So just know that. Okay? 2 other things today. This AMSC. No idea if it's real. If it's real, they've created a superconductor that levitates. That means you have flying cars. That means anything in your house that had that superconductor in there could be levitated. Wow. The entire world changes. Now, here's the thing. Is it real? I have no idea. But here's what I know. I absolutely know in 50 years that will be real. It will be real. It will be real. Now, that's all I know. It will be real. Just when? When? It may be 100 years from now. Maybe it's 500 years from now. Okay? I don't know. But it's going to happen. Okay? Caterpillar yesterday. Stunningly great earnings. I actually like the 290s at the open. If it can get them under 70 cents, becomes very interesting. Because if the market runs up This is going to go first. This is going to go first. Okay. ANET. Great, huge play. But just like Align Technologies and then Sam Beer, ANET, last time it had earnings, it ran a day, it ran one more day. And then it didn't move for 3 months. So don't think it's going to rocket. I mean, in all theory, if it does what it did past, I don't understand it doesn't mean anything. It probably can get to 197, 198, but then it's done. So, but for me, I'm done with it. I'm not going to play it because it just, I don't like things that don't move. If they're charging $5 for premium 7 and 8 points out and it only moves 2 points a day, it can never work. Okay? So just know that. Okay? So that's what I know. Today you want to see UPST if it pops back through 71. And see, these are down just because it broke up, but they're down because of the market. Okay? And then there is a play, very interesting, coin. May buy puts on coin here, okay, guys? Because Kramer came on yesterday and he said, well, one judge said on the Ripple thing that it's not a security, but he said another judge is saying it is. So that takes it back to 70. So and if coin earnings are bad, does it rip right down to 70 again? Very intrigued with this. The 85 puts are $1 or something. If I can get them for somewhere $1, $1.10, then I'll think about it. Okay? Then I'll think about it. So that's what I know. SPX is going lower. Let it go lower. Let it go lower. Okay? Shop earnings after the close. Apple got an upgrade to 235. Wow. Apple earnings and Amazon earnings tomorrow. And then we see, and then NET has earnings. NET last time had bad earnings, and that took Pan W down like 15. And then Pan W had great earnings, and Zscaler had great earnings, and CrowdStrike had great earnings. So does net pop back up to 76, 77 on this earnings? Very interesting. Solar Edge garbage, right down off screen. Okay, and Microsoft can't get back through 340. Microsoft is going to be a great trade again, maybe 3-4 weeks out. But 343, if and when it gets to 343, we're in. Okay, so just wait some more. So today off the open, I like CAT. Okay, very, very interesting. And I like coin lower. And people asking why Lam Research is down, because all the chips are down. Everything is down. Look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is down because of this downgrade. Okay, remember, when somebody downgrades something and your bonds go lower, that means it costs you more money. It costs you more money. You got to pay a higher interest rate. Okay? So very, very important there. Okay? That's what I know. Okay, let's get started. Good morning, everybody. SPX down 26. That puts it right at 45.50. You got 45.32, 45.26, 4,500 round number, 4,600 for everything to get better. Okay? Very interesting. If Nasdaq is going to open down 100 plus, I actually like the 15,700 for Friday after Apple and Amazon's earnings. If we can get them for somewhere in the $3 range, okay? Now they're not going to be $3; they're way higher right now. I mean, they're going to be more like 18 or 20. But if you can get them at $3, it becomes interesting, because if Apple and Amazon rip everything up, then it pops 300. Okay. Avago, right there, right at breakout level 920 down. See if this pops back up. NVIDIA, 469, 476. Okay. Lam Research, 726, 752. NET, 71.76. Shop, earnings after the close, 71.74. UPST, 72.60, 72.60. Snowman, let it come down. If Snowman continues to come down, I like the 190 for earnings. Let it come down. Carvana, trying to get through 51. If it gets through 51, it will start. Roku, all about 100, but this thing was at 94 way earlier at about 3 o'clock. So it's up $1.50 while the market's just come back 6-7 points. Adobe 551, AMD 122. This may go lower to say the 117 range and then pop back up. Very interesting. Keep an eye on it. Under 117 would be bad. Coin, I like the 85 for earnings under $1. Caterpillar, very strong, not down much. 190 is under $1, become very, very interesting to me. SMCI doing nothing this week. This thing moved 50 points, so it's doing nothing. Twilio, all about next week in earnings. NOW, see if it gets back to 592. Amazon, earnings coming later. Very pricey. I mean, 10 points up. Do these guys know what 10 points up is? It did a 20-for-1 split. That's 200 points. Amazon doesn't typically move 200 points on earnings, maybe 150, 170. But, you know, so if you're going to go pay $2 for something 10 points up and it has to move 2 more, that's 240-point move. I mean, it's never done that. If it doesn't do that on the upside, why would you ever consider buying that? Microsoft, working lower, 131, 126. Tesla, if it breaks 249, it's got 241 written all over it. Okay? And that's what we know. That's what we know. Hold on, let me look at questions here real quick. Don't have anything. Okay? That's what we know. Everybody have a great trade day. See you in chat.